like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with a Kong Wholesale girls toy box. Now I have since canceled them, but I went ahead and got a couple before Christmas, and then I was not able to cancel it because of my hospital stay and stuff. I was kind of out of it. So I did get it canceled, so these will be the last ones. I will have the household good ones continue that, because those, I always find something interesting in those. Now this comes to $101.25, and that's if you subscribe. Now it costs like $20 more. It's just buy one box. So bear that in mind. If you just want one box and not have to mess with canceling and everything, then just pay the extra 20 bucks. But anyhow, this is what we got. First thing we got was Disney Princess. And it's Cinderella. My friend Cinderella. And she doesn't really do anything. She comes with a mirror. It says 3 and up, but you know. So we have that. Oh, and here we got Donald the Duck. Remember that movie, Howard the Duck? My kid and my nephew used to tease my dad because his name was Howard, and he used to say, Howard the Duck. But yeah, this is old Donald. And he was Disney certified. I don't know how much it is. I don't know. But there's that. Then we got another doll outfit. I think they're for our generation dolls. Fits most 18-inch dolls. So there's that. She got her little tights and her ballet slippers. Okay. And this is Gabby's Playhouse. I think that's what it said. Is that what it said? Yeah, Gabby's Dollhouse. This is another dollhouse. So, let's see what she says. Does she do anything? Nope. Surprise accessory. So you get a surprise accessory there. Oh, I see. When you fold it all up, it looks like this. That's what it looks like all folded up. Oh, interesting. Includes content, 18 pieces. Oh, I see. You can change her clothes too. Interesting. Oh, you can put different hair on her. Oh, you get it now. Hey, turn me. Oh, she has a runway. You can change your clothes, and she has a runway. She has a runway walk. Okay. So we got that. Go Gabby. Then we have a Barbie car, which I imagine all these probably went up when Barbie had her thing. Seats too. Woohoo! That's all it does. Seats too. Let's see if it does anything else. Nope. It's got cup holders in it. Look, it's got cup holders in it. Okay, there we go. And then, whoa, we got Dr. Barbie, and it says you can be anything. Let's take that off. Okay, it says you can be anything, and it's got 2 little babies and a Barbie. She's a doctor. So, in the NICU. So there you go. this one is. Okay, this one is Ken. There's Ken. He has a cell phone and sunscreen, ice cream cone, a volleyball, a water bottle, and a sun visor. I didn't know when Ken became such a little, I won't say it. Makes me think of my past life. Then we have little Woodsies. And we got these last time, but we got like raccoons or something. So there's that. Okay. Then we got Disney Princess Rapunzel. And her hair's put down here. Yeah, that's, and then we got Polly Pocket Barbie. That's tiny. Wow. My stepdaughter used to love Polly Pocket. But yeah, here's what it all comes with. What the heck is that? Oh, it's one of them swings. Them wigger swings. So anyway, that was KK Wholesale's, Kong Wholesale's girl toy box. So if you like what you see here, hey, come on back. I do all kinds of unboxings. I do FabFitFun. I do makeup boxes, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, you name it. I pretty well unbox it. So come on back, like, subscribe. Bye.